Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin with a clear weekly planner and commit to study at least 2 hours daily with focused 50-minute blocks and 10-minute breaks. Allocate 40% time to physics and chemistry, 35% to biology, and 25% to practicals and revision, so every area gets balanced attention. Use a planner to schedule weekly 3-5-hour weekend mock tests and daily 15-minute review sessions. Block specific hours for school homework. Insert reading and problem practice to build steady momentum without burnout. Adopt active learning. Solve 30 practice problems weekly and attempt one full chapter test every weekend to convert passive reading into applied skill. Create concise notes of 1 page per chapter using diagrams and labeled 3-5-inch sketches to compress facts and enable quick revision before exams. Teach concepts aloud for 15 minutes to a peer or mirror to reinforce recall and expose gaps. Alternate explanation, with solving a representative problem to link theory, equations, and plan your exam phase. Start revision 8 weeks before exams with spaced repetition. Days 1, 3, 7, 14, 30 to cement memory and reduce forgetting. Practice previous 10 years board papers and time each at 3 hours to simulate the exam environment and improve pacing. Then review mark schemes to learn expected answers. Prioritize high-weight chapters, 25% weightage topics first, then medium and low, and allocate final 2 weeks to mixed mock tests, error logs, formula sheets, and light sleep-focused routines for peak performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.